Well, how's it going, everyone? And today we're going to be looking at this iced coffee maker. Woohoo! All right, if you didn't know, I love iced coffee, and I decided to get one of these and test it out, I guess. So it's an iced coffee maker, and it's 700 watts. So I don't know if that's good or not. We'll give it a test and see how it goes. It says it makes the perfect iced coffee every time. So it's got a brew dial for dual settings. So it's got a 650ml dual wall insulator cup, and it comes with the lid and straw as well. It also comes with an insulated coffee scoop, the brew basket with a reusable filter, the on and off switch, and a start button with indicator light. Let's open it up and have a look. Okay, so we'll just quickly open it. I'll just fast forward this part. And here's your booklet. It's quite thick actually. It comes with your warranty and your cleaning, how to clean the products, even recipes as well, so it's quite handy to have, so don't throw it away. How to assemble it, how to clean it as well. Here's your scoop. And of course your cup and your straw. And it's a twist top as well. And you have your two levels, your water level and your ice level, which I'll show you later. So here's the unit itself, and you have your strong and regular modes. Here's your on and off switch, and here's your power. And of course you open the top lid, and that's where you'll find your filter. It's a reusable filter as well. Okay, so let's put some water in it. So you put the water up to that mark where it says water, and just pour it in the machine. So you pour it in the lower part of those two levels, and you put the top level back on, and your filter back in. Then you fill up your cup with the ice up to the ice mark. And then you get your spoon and you put as much coffee in as you want. Switch on the power from the back. Switch on the side. Here I've just sped it up. It took around about a minute and a half, so it was actually quite quick. And that's it, guys. You just put it all together and give a bit of a stir if you want, and yeah, and you got yourself a nice cold drink. And it's surprising how cold it gets really fast. So as soon as I took it off the machine, it was cold. So there you go. So thanks very much everyone for watching. Links will be in the description, and we'll catch you on the next one real soon. Bye bye.